This is the sound of a problem that has haunted small kitchens, apartments, and RV owners for decades: disappearing. Pause. We were promised the future. We were promised convenience. And for years, portable dishwashers have been bulky, weak, and frankly, a disappointment. Sound of the new machine's quiet, powerful wash cycle begins, but this changes the game. I've spent the last 2 weeks with a machine so advanced, it wasn't supposed to hit the market until 2026. And what it can do for under $300 will make you question ever washing a dish by hand again. But there's a catch, and you need to see this before you even think about buying one. Number 1. COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher. The dishwasher offers a versatile water filling option, allowing you to add water manually to its built-in 5L water tank. This feature enables you to position the dishwasher in a convenient location without the necessity of connecting it directly to a tap water supply. Alternatively, if preferred, the appliance can be easily connected to a kitchen faucet using the water hose that is included in the package, along with an adapter for easy installation. It is important to note that for optimal performance, the water pressure must be between 0.04 to 1.0 MPa. Designed with an ultra-compact footprint, this dishwasher efficiently washes over 30 items at once, accommodating plates with a maximum diameter of 9.5 inches. This makes it an exceptional choice for individuals residing in small spaces such as studio apartments, dormitories, boats, and recreational vehicles, RVs, where space is at a premium. The appliance is equipped with 6 different washing programs to cater to a variety of dishwashing needs: normal for everyday cleaning, rapid for quick washes, steam for sanitizing, fruit for safely washing fruits and vegetables, glass for delicate items, and an air refresh mode that provides additional drying capabilities. Number 2. NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwashers. This countertop dishwasher is designed for versatility and convenience, supporting 2 distinct water supply modes: faucet mode and water tank mode. The innovative built-in 5-liter water tank allows users to start washing dishes instantly when it is fully filled, making it ideal for those who may not have access to a direct water supply. The appliance features an automatic water level indicator that provides peace of mind by notifying users when the optimal water level has been achieved. To engage the faucet mode, one simply connects the provided water inlet hose to their machine and the kitchen faucet, ensuring a straightforward setup process. In terms of functionality, this compact dishwasher stands out with its 5 wash cycles: normal, speed, soft, baby care, heavy, and fruit. Of particular note is the baby care, heavy mode, which operates at a high temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit to effectively clean baby products and heavily soiled tableware. This mode is specifically designed to thoroughly rinse and sanitize items, ensuring they are safe for use, especially for infants and young children. Furthermore, this mode also provides a sparkling clean finish for glassware, elevating the overall cleanliness of your dishes. Number 3. Silonn Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Featuring compact dimensions of 16.8 inches by 17.9 inches, this countertop dishwasher is designed to fit seamlessly into small kitchens while providing powerful cleaning capabilities. Despite its compact size, it can accommodate up to 4 place settings, which is ideal for small homes or families of 4. It has ample space for standard 10-inch dinner plates, for smaller 8 plates, for cups, for bowls, as well as 7 forks, 7 spoons, and even 1 flute glass, making it highly functional for a variety of dish types. One of the standout features of this dishwasher is its triple spray arm technology, which guarantees a thorough 360 degrees deep clean. This innovative system ensures that all items inside the unit receive equal attention during the wash cycle, effectively tackling tough grease, dried-on food, and reaching difficult spots that may be hard to clean manually. This means that you can spend significantly less time on hand-washing dishes and redirect that time towards enjoying your leisure activities, all while achieving consistently sparkling results. In addition to its efficiency, this countertop dishwasher also boasts smart app control, allowing users to manage their washing cycles remotely. Whether you're busy at work or relaxing on the couch, you can start, pause, or adjust wash settings directly from your smartphone. This feature enhances convenience and ensures that you can have your dishes washed according to your schedule. Number 4. Yuhomi Countertop Dishwasher. The Yuhomi portable countertop dishwasher is designed for those who need a compact yet effective cleaning solution in limited spaces. Measuring just 16.83 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, it fits easily on countertops without taking up too much room. Despite its compact size, it boasts a generous interior that can efficiently clean over 30 items in one go, making it suitable for small families or individuals who want to save time on dishwashing. This dishwasher can accommodate a variety of dish sizes, including plates with a diameter of up to 10.25 inches. It holds a combination of dishes and utensils, including for standard plates, for small cups, for bowls, 2 glasses, and 7 sets of cutlery, forks, knives, and spoons. The Yuhomi dishwasher is the ideal choice for various living situations such as homes, apartments, dormitories, boats, and RVs, where space is at a premium. It operates without the need for installation, appealing to users who may not want to deal with plumbing modifications. Number 5. Blitzhome Countertop Portable Mini Dishwasher. Choose from a selection of 9 distinct washing programs, each meticulously designed to cater to various dishwashing scenarios. The options include Standard, ECO, which conserves water and energy, Baby Care, for sterilizing baby bottles and utensils, Strong, for heavily soiled dishes, Quick, for a speedy wash, Fruit, specifically for rinsing fresh produce, Self-Clean, to maintain the dishwasher itself, Dry, to thoroughly dry dishes after washing, and Delayed Start, to program the dishwasher to run at a later time. Each specialized program is optimized for specific types of dishware and cleaning needs, providing flexibility and efficiency in your cleaning routine. For example, the Standard program has an effective wash time of 58 minutes, while the Fruit program is designed to quickly rinse your produce in just 19 minutes. This is the sound of a problem that has haunted small kitchens, apartments, and RV owners for decades, disappearing. Pores, we were promised the future. We were promised convenience. And for years, portable dishwashers have been bulky, weak, and frankly, a disappointment. Sound of the new machine's quiet, powerful wash cycle begins, but this changes the game. I've spent the last 2 weeks with a machine so advanced, it wasn't supposed to hit the market until 2026. And what it can do for under $300 will make you question ever washing a dish by hand again. But there's a catch, and you need to see this before you even think about buying one.